Hi, and welcome to this Vedda blood sugar remedy review. This is a natural treatment guide that combats pre-diabetes, type 2 diabetes without any side effects. It contains numerous quick and easy meal plans that taste great. They're a lot more practical compared to traditional medical meal plans. The recipes are made from rejuvenating herbs, spices, coconut oil, and other extracts. This program is the result of years of studies about the lifestyle of the Vedda tribe. The meals plans mainly require coconut oil, which was clinically proven to fight diabetes naturally. Yet, this is just one of the many all-natural ingredients. You need all of them to reap the benefits of the program. And don't overlook the other two programs which assist in reducing insulin resistance. I hope you liked the review. You decide if Vedda blood sugar remedy is right for you. You don't risk a cent. I'm going to provide you with the discount product page so you can get Vedda blood sugar remedy at its lowest price. Find it in the description below.